Hi, welcome to Tech Shorts. So for today's Tech Short, and actually for all month, we're going to be looking at how to do taxes. Now, we at the library here are not tax experts, so we can't walk you through the whole tax process, but I can walk you through some of the more frequent and common questions that we get here at the library, so that maybe we can save you some time that way. Now, one of the biggest questions that we get is, where can I get my tax forms? Now, I know in the past you used to be able to go to, say, a library, the post office, and just walk in and grab some tax forms, go home and fill them out. It has not been that way for a very long time. I am telling you from experience, having seen it personally, the government stopped sending us tax forms a long time ago. So you cannot get them from us in that way. What we can do is print the tax form for you, but let me show you what you can do on your own if you have the capabilities. That way you don't need to rely on us for that either. Always remember, of course, though, that you can do your taxes online, and we'll discuss that in another tech short. But what you're going to want to do to get your tax forms is go to irs.gov. It's a very simple website, irs.gov. When you get to this website, you will just simply look for the options that you have. One of those, of course, is to file your taxes for free, but again, we will talk about that another time. What we're looking for is this tab, which says Forms and Instructions. Now, please keep in mind that currently we only have a 1040 form. The government condensed the 1040EZ, 1040A, and 1040 into just one simple single form to make life easier for all of us. So you'll go to Forms and Instructions, and then it'll give you your options here. So Form 1040, that's the only one available. That's all you need. And then the instructions are here as well. Now, keep in mind the instructions are usually pretty long, so you might not want to print out the instructions. The tax form itself is about 2 pages, and it will give you the option to download it as a PDF, which is what we want. So when we click on that, it does show us the PDF of the 1040 tax form for 2020. You can download this on your computer and then just type in all these little purplish grayish spots here are things that you can click on while it's open in a PDF file. That means you can type it in and fill it out on your computer, or you can just print it and do it by hand like you've done it in the past. Whatever you find is easier for you, but that's how you get your form. And then we'll go back. If you have other attachments that you need, all of the forms are here. You have your Schedule 1, Schedule 2, Schedule 3, and you can even search for any other forms that you might need. You just type the search box here what form number you're looking for, and it'll pull it up for you. Now, if it's the instructions that you need, you can open up the instructions here online, and honestly, most of us pretty familiar with how to fill this out. Most of us just need one crucial thing, and that's this. Can you recognize what this is? Oop, too far. The tax bracket. This is how you know how much your tax is based on how many people are in your household, if you're filing single or married, filing jointly, and then this is the information that you need. So you look for how much income you make. When you find that, then you just look over here and it'll tell you what the tax is. So very simple. Again, something you can do on your own. Please don't call us to ask, can we help you with your taxes? We can't. Remember, we cannot do that, but we are happy to help print out forms for you. So feel free to ask for us to print out the 1040 form, and we will be happy to do that. Again, thank you for joining us for today's Tech Short. I'm Marcos, and we will catch you next time.